How to pay with Gcash in Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to pay with Gcash in Foodpanda. First, open the Foodpanda app on your mobile device. Tap on Food Delivery and select your food item from different restaurants available here. Once you have selected your food and it has been added to the cart, tap on Add to Cart. Here, tap on Confirm Payment and Address. On this page, select Add a Payment Method. While adding a payment method, you will have the option of Gcash available in your account. Just tap on it and you will be able to pay by using Gcash on Foodpanda. In my case, it is not available, but you will be able to see this option below. Review the payment details on the Gcash app, and then approve the transaction to pay for your Foodpanda order. After successful payment, you should receive a confirmation from both Foodpanda and Gcash. This confirmation may include an order received and details about the payment. Additionally, ensure that you have sufficient funds in your Gcash account to cover the cost of your Foodpanda order. If you encounter any issues during the payment process, you can refer to Foodpanda's support resources or contact their customer support for assistance. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.